Shopping for clothes. At the cash register.
How much is this jacket?
It's $55.
Oh, that's expensive.
Oh, but it's on sale right now. So, you can get it for $45.
That's reasonable. I'll take it.
And I'd like to purchase this, please.
The jeans cost $25.
Can I pay by credit card?
Yes, you can. Do you need a receipt?
Yes. And I'd like a bag, please.
Sure. Here you are.
Can I return this if I change my mind?
Yes, you'd need to return it within 14 days. And make sure to bring your receipt when you come back.
I'll keep that in mind.
Thank you.
Goodbye. Please come again.
That's reasonable. That's reasonable.
Can I pay by credit card? Can I pay by credit card? If you want to learn more, download Cake now.